Meet the AI Content Factory, right inside Latenode. With the new Rask AI node, your single product video becomes a marketing powerhouse in 135 languages. Simply upload your demo video and let Latenode handle the rest. First, our workflow uses Rask AI's state-of-the-art translation and dubbing. All voices, emotions, and language nuances are perfectly managed, thanks to an intelligent translation dictionary and speaker management. Save time and keep your brand's voice crystal clear with a reusable voice clone library, all synced to the video with pixel-perfect lip sync. Next, your newly localized videos go through a smart format conversion. Get publish-ready files for every platform in seconds. From there, Latenode's automation splits your video into engaging shorts and reels, generates images and descriptions, and turns your content into podcasts, complete with covers and show notes. And with just one setup, you auto-generate LinkedIn posts, blog articles, and Facebook content, all scheduled and published at optimal times. Break down barriers, expand to new markets, and let your AI content factory do the heavy lifting. Try the Rask AI node in Latenode today and scale your reach overnight.